Welcome DIKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered what truly makes an AI think? It's not just about data, information, knowledge, or wisdom. We're diving into the DIKWP model, Professor Duan Yucong's 5-level cognitive framework that adds purpose to the mix. This isn't just a pyramid, it's a dynamic loop from raw perception to goal-driven decisions. Let's unpack this beast. Alright, let's break down this DIKWP powerhouse. First up, data, the raw stuff, like pixels or sound waves. Then, information. Suddenly, those pixels mean something, like a red ball. Next, knowledge, building semantic networks, databases, recognizing patterns. Wisdom kicks in with high-level reasoning, value judgment, strategy. And finally, purpose, the why, the motivation, the ultimate driver. What's really cool, it's not a simple pyramid. Duan designed it as a highly interconnected net. Any two layers can talk directly, creating 25 potential modules for information flow. This means cognition isn't a one-way street, it's a dynamic, feedback-rich system. Lower levels can be modulated by higher ones, and decisions feed back to adjust lower processing. This flexibility is key for adaptive, self-correcting AI. Now, let's talk about the information field. Duan proposes life is a dance between an information field and an energy field. Think of it as the body's semantic space interacting with its energy flows. Healthy life means ordered coupling, a negative entropy state. How does DIKWP help achieve this? By transforming raw resources, both energy and data, through its layers, D to I to K to W to P. This process constantly builds order, reducing uncertainty. It's not just a random chance, it's intelligence actively shaping order. Think about learning. It structures your knowledge. Eating provides ordered energy. Both are active processes of reducing entropy, guided by purpose. This non-probabilistic negative entropy construction is crucial for understanding how systems maintain order. Here's where it gets philosophically spicy: consciousness, relativity. Duan argues there's no absolute standard for consciousness. Instead, it's relative. You perceive entity B as conscious if your own DIKWP system can map its outputs and find meaning. If B's behavior doesn't fit your framework, you likely dismiss it as unconscious. It's all about the observer's lens. Within DIKWP, this leads to modeling the self. Duan distinguishes between experiential self, the real-time present moment feeling, rooted in D2W processing, and narrative self, the storyteller weaving past experiences into a coherent identity, operating mainly through K2P. Crucially, DIKWP allows for metacognition. An AI can essentially run a DIKWP model on itself, observing its own cognitive processes. This internal dialogue between self and observer is the engine for artificial self-awareness. Let's get quirky with the bug theory. Duan suggests consciousness isn't perfect processing, it's more like leaks in the system. Gaps or imperfections in the brain's information flow. The bugs are what actually leak into our awareness. Our brains then stitch these fragments into a coherent story, even if it's not perfectly accurate. These bugs aren't just errors, they can spark innovation. When a system encounters a bug, it mobilizes higher-level wisdom to fix it, potentially creating new concepts. Now, pair this with semantic math. This is Duan's attempt to formally define meaning within a mathematical framework. By mathematically defining each layer of DIKWP and the transitions between them, we can make AI reasoning transparent and explainable. It's about making thinking explicit, ensuring every step has clear semantic grounding. This combination promises AI that's not just smart, but understandable. So, what's the big picture? DIKWP isn't just another model. It's a foundational piece in a much larger puzzle. It integrates data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and purpose. It grapples with consciousness, self, and even the fundamental interplay of information and energy fields. Duan's work pushes us towards a unified theory that goes beyond traditional physics and information science, aiming to place meaning, matter, and mind on the same scientific footing. The journey continues, but DIKWP gives us a powerful map.